It just started with my vision board. At that point of time in 2021, I didn't even realize that what I was creating was a vision board. But yes, when I look at it now, I realize that it has worked as a vision board. So, what actually happened was I was just a normal girl who lived in a very lower middle class family, never had very fancy vacations, and always desire to have good vacation, to have a nice time with your friends and family. But circumstances never gave me that chance. So, just to make myself happy, what I did, I just created, I'll show you the picture. I just created this and I stick it on my wall and I used to watch it and I used to feel very good. Whenever I used to watch it, I used to feel very nice. I used to just enjoy watching that what I have created at that point of time. And slowly and gradually, what I realized that I started attracting all the things which were related to that vision board. I started attracting a lot of traveling. It was not in a good way, but I started traveling a lot. It was completely not in a good way, but yes, I was traveling a lot more after I put that vision board. So whenever I used to look at that picture, I used to have the sense that after when I have placed this picture already on my wall, I have started, going out more than normal. So maybe it has just started working, but to get me out of the loop where I am, it will take some time maybe. So I just believed in it and I thought like maybe let's see what can happen. And slowly and gradually, I started attracting. One day, I just attracted one of the videos of a cabin crew vlog. And I was so fascinated that I wanted to know about cabin crew. Researched it and I got to know that I can also apply for it. I prepared for my interview. I went for the interview and got selected. And when I got selected, that point of time, I felt like, oh, yes, this is really working. 2021, I created this picture. And in 2022, I was already a cabin crew and was working as a cabin crew. So this in just 1 year, I just changed my life. But if you see that picture, I have all the things all about world travel. It was not about just India. So I used to feel like it is somewhere working, but it has not worked to the complete level. There's some more things that have to happen. Maybe what else? I always believe in that timing, and I just keep working. I just keep looking for the opportunities which for me, and then I got through Qatar Airways. And yes, I'm right now in Qatar Airways. I'm working as a cabin crew in Qatar Airways, and I've already visited more than 50 countries, and it's still counting. I have completed all my checklist of the countries which I wanted to visit, and I'm very grateful for it. And after I have achieved this thing in just 2021 was the year which I created. And in 2022, I was a cabin crew in Indigo. And in 2024, yes, in 2024, I was in Qatar Airways and I was flying. And in 2024, I started getting the destination which I wanted to fly in my very first month of flying, like Paris, London, Maldives, Seychelles, Phuket, Bali, you name it, Cape Town, Amsterdam, so many countries, like so many destinations which I always wanted to go, but I never had that opportunity before, but now I had it and it came naturally. I didn't ask for those destinations, but those destinations first came to me by themselves. So I believe that yes, law of manifestation, law of visualization works. And I will tell you how it worked for me. Like what do I used to do? Maybe it can be a little more different because it everyone has a different way of doing things, right? So it's a different way for me to do things. Maybe it can help you. Please try it and let me know. Okay. So starting with, you all have heard of law of manifestation, right? Everyone knows about law of manifestation, but is it only visualizing or only working hard or only affirmations or only meditation? I think that it's a mixture of everything. It's a beautiful blend of every single thing which you have heard of when you heard this term law of manifestation. I think law of manifestation has foundation law, which is law of assumption, I believe. Law of assumption is like when you assume that it is already done and you just enjoy that thing in the present moment, no matter you have not even achieved it in the present moment. When you have that sense of certainty, when you have that sense of certainty that you are going to get it, no matter how, you don't know that you how you will reach there, but you have that certainty from inside that you will achieve it. today or tomorrow, but it is coming to you, then nobody, nobody can hold it from you. You just have to keep working towards it, and it will come to you no matter what. I always believe that whenever we doubt, like I'm thinking, if I say I came from a very small town, it's not even a city from India. I'm coming from a very small town, very basic lifestyle. I didn't even expected that I could have achieved. If somebody told me in 2021 that this is going to be your life in just 3 years, I could not even believe that thing. I cannot even think that this is possible, but it happened because I had that feeling from inside. Like, I know it is going to be there. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know this is going to be my life. No matter my situation right now, whatever it was, but I always had that feeling in back of my mind that it's just temporary because I know the best part is not yet received. Right. So the first point which I can say is being certain. Whenever you doubt, you just delay the process of manifestation. Whenever you doubt, whenever you get critical or get very logical that how is it even possible, when when you get these feelings and emotions from you, then you delay the process. It's like if you open a tap, you are very certain that water will come out from that tap, yes or no, right? That certainty should be there in you, that if I know that I want this, so it is already done. I am going to get it. It's just I have to open the tap, right? There is water already, but to get the water, you need to open the tap. So the effort which is required, you just do that effort. When you are done with that effort, done with that thing which you need to do by yourself, you just have to be very relaxed and chill that and be very grateful that it is going to come to you. That's it. I believe never doubt. Never ever doubt. Coming to the second point, that is affirmations, I would say I have never done affirmations. I have never said like I am rich, I am wealthy, I am beautiful, I usually don't do it. I did it for I think starting when I just got introduced to law of manifestation, but I didn't do it for a very long time. I just did it, but I didn't catch up with it. But what I feel helped me instead of affirmations was it can help you. It is, I'm not saying that affirmations doesn't help you. It is the personalized way of doing things. Some things can work for me because I enjoy that. Maybe some things will not work for you because you don't enjoy that, but I enjoy it. Right. So it can be completely okay if I am not doing affirmations, but you like doing affirmations, so you should not stop doing it because it will work for you. But I don't enjoyed it, so I was not into more of affirmations. But what I used to do was like I used to keep myself believing that I am going to achieve good things in my life. I had a very good self concept from the very beginning. If you want to know more about what is self concept, I will make a separate video because it is a complete different topic to talk about. But always had that self concept, a very positive self concept that no matter what happens, I am here to deserve the best. That was always in my head, and that was my affirmation. Maybe I had that feeling that I deserve the best. That was it. Like I never doubted that. Like I know that I deserve it, and if I deserve it, I will get it. Also, you should have that positivity for yourself first, that you deserve it. You are capable to have that manifestation in your life. Okay. Coming to the third point, that is actual work. When you have to do something to achieve that goal, right? Let's say if you want to go to your terrace, okay? You want to go to your terrace and you want to enjoy the weather, you want to enjoy the view, you want to enjoy the peacefulness. But if you're sitting in your room and you're not taking those steps and you're not taking those stairs, you're not doing your effort which is required, are you going to get magically from your bedroom to your terrace? Just just think. No, right? But you know that if you will take those steps, you can go to the terrace and you can have all that experience there, right? It applies for everything. It applies for everything. Like if you want to achieve something, have you taken any steps? Are you taking any steps? Are you working towards it? I'm not saying that you just think and then just leave it and it will come to you. Yes, it will come to you. How? Like it will give you hints. It will give you the opportunity. It will make you be at the place where it is the right place for you. You will be at the right place. You will be at the right time. You will meet the right people. But what are you doing with those opportunities? Are you taking the best out of those opportunities, or you're just leaving it as usual? I saw that vlog of a cabin crew vlog randomly. I never searched for cabin crew. I never searched for anything. I just got that vlog on my feed and I watched it. And I felt very nice because she was living a life which I wanted to have, right? So it was not like, okay, that's it. I watched it. Now I'll not do anything. No. I started working on it. I started researching it like, is it, can I do it? Okay, if I can do it, let's prepare for the interview. I prepared for the interview. I went for the interview. Then I got my manifestation. It's not just I pasted a picture and it is done, it will come to me automatically. Yes, it will show you the path, like which path you have to take, what you need to do. They will show you. It is going to be there in front of you, but it is up to you if you're taking the action or not. If you're not taking those action, you are not going to go anywhere. And that is why many people say, like, my manifestation doesn't work. Why? Because you have not taken the steps which is required to take for to reach that goal. If you want to drink water, you have to go to the water glass and pick it up and drink it. It will, if you're not, if you're feeling thirsty, it's not like I'm feeling thirsty, I want water, and it will come automatically. No, it's not going to happen. You have to do that effort which is required to achieve that goal. It is already there for you, but it is up to you that if you're making those efforts, those required actions or not. Okay. Coming to the fourth point, that is visualization. You have heard a lot of things that you need to visualize how it feels. Just close your eyes, think about it, enjoy that feeling, how you feel it. It's all about the feeling. Yes, I completely agree with it. It works. But what is my way of doing visualization is completely different. Because again, I am the person, like if I'm alone, I'm already daydreaming. Like I daydream a lot. I think in 24 hours, if I am awake for 12 hours, because I sleep a lot, if I'm awake for, let's say 14, okay, let's say for 14 hours, and I am alone for maybe 4 or 5 hours, like I have nothing to do, let's say. So I will be daydreaming. I will be in my imaginary world, in my own visualizations. I will be literally acting that thing, that thing is already in front of me, the people around me, how they are looking at me, what am I wearing, how am I talking, how other people are perceiving me, what is the background, who are my friends, how I'm taking care of my family, everything. I feel that thing, I just enjoy that moment, I live in that imaginary world and just leave it like that. If I am like somebody came, I just went in my present life. Like let's say I'm doing this, I'm just enjoying my into my Lala world, and then somebody come like, can you do this for me? So I'll just go and do it that thing. I just enjoy that feeling because I always feel when I am daydreaming that I am already in that moment. I have already achieved it and I am in that moment. So this is my way of visualizing it. So I'm just creating that space for the life which I have not even got it in 3D. I'm just having those trailers, I'm just having those trailers to make myself hyped up for the movie, which I'm going to watch. It's not like I am not going to have that, I'm not going to watch that movie. Yes, it's already being prepared, but I right now I'm just enjoying the trailer. When the time will come, the movie will release and I will watch the movie. That is sure. That is, I am very certain about it. But for now, what I have the trailer, so let me enjoy the trailer. You get my point, right? Coming on to the fifth point, and that is very, 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 very important, is being optimistic. Anything happens, always happens for the best, is my mantra, is my go-to mantra in my life, whether I have a good day or a bad day. If something good happens, of course, things happen for the best in my life. I know that. If something bad happens, if something happens which I didn't expect it hurt me, it made me sad. I always keep reminding myself, no. If this has happened, it has happened for a reason. There is something good in it. That is the reason only it happened in my life. Otherwise, it would have not happened. So you always need to keep yourself reminding that everything happens for the best. Never victimize yourself. Never think that all the bad things happen to me. Why this is happening to me? Why me? No. If you are keeping yourself in that victim mindset, you are never going to attract positive things in your life. Being optimistic will keep you positive, motivated for the good things which are coming in your way. Being pessimist doesn't take you anywhere. So I would recommend to be as much positive in any situation, no matter how hard it gets. I have seen very hard situations in my life, and when I see them now, I feel like thank God that I had that experience, because it has made me so strong. It has grown me into a very different person. I have a different mindset now because that thing happened. I have a different confidence level because that thing happened. I know how to handle things better now because that experiences taught me those things. So yes, always have that in mind, that no matter what is happening, if it is good or bad, it is for the best. This is the best thing which you can get, no matter it is according to your expectation or not. Always believe that. Okay. And the last point, and that is very crucial, that you need to believe in your God, whatever you believe in. I'm not a very religious person. I don't pray like, like religious people, but I'm very spiritual. I know that there is some higher power already who is taking care of me, who is always with me. Sometimes I literally feel that he is always around me, like he's on my head all the time, and he just keep watching what I'm doing, and he just keep take cares of everything. I have so many instances, like so many, like thousands of instances, which I felt like, oh my God, I just I just realized that this could have gone wrong, but this thing happened. Because of that, I changed that thing and it is better now. I just saved my life. But no, it was not me. I didn't even realize that this would happen. It just changed in a second because something else happened. So you have to believe that there is some higher power. Always believe that there is some higher power who is taking care of you. If he has put into a trouble, he will take you out from that trouble. You don't have to worry about it. You just keep doing what you can do and just leave the rest on him. Just leave the rest. Like, I don't know how I'm going to get it. I'm just telling you that this is I want. I will do my best, what I have to do. Show me what else I can do. I will do that also. But other than that, it's all up to you how you will take it, how you will give it to me. I don't care. And when you have that relationship with him, you will see magic in your life. Like magic. So I feel like this is my life. Just in few years I have just realized that it's just one or two manifestations which I have unlocked in my life, and I completely believe in myself, in my journey, that there are so many other things which I am still working to unlock. And I know it's going to work for me because I'm very certain that if I have that feeling that I have still these things left, it will come into reality when it is the right time, when I'm prepared, when I have done the work. It is going to come to me. There is no doubt in that. So I think if you're struggling to manifest something in your life, I would just say that don't doubt it, first of all. Be very, very certain about it and believe in yourself and him that you are worthy to deserve whatever you want to achieve. If you are thinking that this is meant for you, you are eventually going to get it. You don't have to doubt it. You just rely on the work you are doing. Just believe in yourself and keep going. You will get it. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know anything more about it, please let me know, comment down below. I would really, really, really happy to help you guys. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.